you think, Nick?
I think it's low. I'm not sure if we can dyno this one. Hi Uzzi, thanks for coming to VF.
Of course, of course.
So Uzzi came by to show us his Huracan and tell us a bit about his project, what he's going to do. I know you've already got our hex tuning software in the car, and this LP610 is roughly LP, well it's a 630, 640 horsepower car.
Right.
How did you find the tune so far?
The tune is great, shifts are crisper, and I'm able to get a little more of a bump. Now, hopefully you can do superchargers soon.
Well, can you show us a bit about your car? What some of the other mods you've done?
So the first and the most apparent is the bag system in the trunk. It's a custom trunk setup done with airlift performance by Deity. You gotta hold it.
You gotta hold it down. There you go.
There you go. And then there you go, it's a custom Alcantara trunk setup.
So the compressor tank is in the nose?
Yes, it's a 3-gallon tank with one compressor.
Okay.
All with airlift 3P management.
Wow. So I've seen you using your phone a lot.
Yeah.
What's that about?
There's a Bluetooth application, so you can be outside the car and just adjust the height from the outside if you don't want to do it inside.
Fantastic. And so that's all complemented by the wheels you've got here?
Yeah, these are Savini forged 2-piece wheels, factory specs, just because, as you know, with the tune you want to keep the rolling diameter just as near stock as possible, so I kept it 28 inches.
Well, this is amazing.
Thank you.
Definitely low. Can we operate it right now?
Sure. I have to turn on the car.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see it go down. That's wild. Absolutely crazy. Well, thanks for coming by.
I thought you were in sales.
No, I'm actually a certified Lamborghini license plate installer, and I'm certified in installing the shock absorbers as well.
You're moving up in the world, aren't you?
Moving on up here at VF. You go ahead.